This is Eid special. In this video, I'll show you how to create a stunning table setting for your Eid celebration using a beautiful swan centerpiece. So join me and let's get started on creating a memorable and beautiful table decoration. Hello everyone, I have not sculpted this swan. This is just a terracotta swan and I have painted it with titanium white, then gave a coat of clear varnish on it. Today we are going to create a beautiful and stunning center table piece for an Eid table with this swan. Here I have cut pieces of styrofoam, then sanded them up and stuck them with hot glue. Okay, I am not going to use artificial grass here. In its place, I am going to use green ribbon and I'm going to stick that ribbon on the styrofoam surface with hot glue. If you are new here, I'm very happy to have you, or if you haven't subscribed yet, I would say consider subscribing, hit the bell icon so that you can have all the latest updates of my videos. These are magnolia flowers, friend, and soon I'm going to bring a video in which we are going to learn how to make these flowers. In the meantime, we are going to decorate our swan or our center table piece with these flowers. The two pics we have just seen are of real magnolia flowers and I have made ribbon magnolia flowers after watching these pics, and stay tuned for the video about making magnolia flowers. Magnolia flowers are of many kinds and the flower I have chosen to make, it has got big leaves. You have seen it in the picture, that's why I have made big leaves. Stick the first layer of leaves in a circle like I have done here. Now we are going to stick the magnolia flowers and I am using hot glue for sticking the leaves and the flowers. You can see one flower has got many colors in it. Actually, this is one ribbon with which I have made these flowers and this is hand dyed. I have dyed it myself. And I haven't colored them with acrylic paints. I have dyed them with fabric dyeing colors. And if you are interested and want to know how this is done, then let me know in the comment section and I am going to bring a video about dyeing the ribbon. You know, Eid is an occasion for great celebrations and I love magnolia flowers. That's why I have chosen them to decorate my center table piece with these. Let me know what you are doing to celebrate your Eid occasion. When all the flowers are stuck, arrange them in a symmetry. Now I am going to stick the leaves in between the flowers to give them a natural look like they are grown on a tree. The swan center table piece for your Eid table is ready and I wish you all a very happy Eid. See you next time with a new project in a new video. Have a blessed day, all of you.